Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and the flash crash that we have experienced throughout the whole of the crypto market. Guys, I just want to reiterate, do not sell your bags right now. Now is not the time. I'm going to explain why. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, if you've missed my previous videos, we've been speaking about the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, which we can see up on screen. The 50-day is the red line, the 200-day is the green one. And throughout the last year, as we experience this massive downward trend, these moving averages have been getting closer and closer and closer. And once we make a crossover, once the red line is above the green, we have this thing called a golden cross. And when a golden cross happens, we then start seeing prices go parabolic. So I just want to talk about Bitcoin and what happened last night. So there was a lot of FUD going around on Twitter. I believe there's a lot of market manipulation going on by big retail investors, which sent these prices plummeting through the 50-day moving average. So I believe they want us small retail investors to actually start selling out our bags so they could buy back in at cheaper prices. But just looking at the chart here, as we can see, we have dropped below a couple of support lines, but we haven't dropped below this green one here. This green one here is a major support line for Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin touch this support line on the 18th of June. Since then, we have been ranging above it. And then again, we have now touched back down on this support line. But if you go back throughout the Bitcoin history, as we can see here, we used this support line as support on the 28th of November 2020. And if you go a little bit further back, we can also see that it was used as a resistance line in December 2017. So these prices are very important. Is a very important stage for Bitcoin, a very important price for Bitcoin. Across below this support line, I will be doing potentially a mass sell across a lot of my cryptos, being that we could actually see Bitcoin drop back down to this support line here, which is looking around about the $10,000 mark, which is a 7k or 8k decrease in its current price. The market normally follows Bitcoin, and if the market follows Bitcoin, we can see lower prices throughout the whole of the crypto space. But this is a major support line. We did see a wick back up off this support line last night, and we are still ranging above it. So potentially this wick to the downside is just a move, so this 200-day moving average can move closer to this red one, which is a 50-day moving average, to then create our golden cross. I will be very shocked if we see these prices go below, because looking at this, we've had our full length of our downward trend. Like any lower than this is unheard of it within the crypto space. So I will be keeping a very close eye on these charts. So if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, because you do not want to miss out on my next videos, believe me. Thank you for watching.